Corvette. And I'm not done yet.
Yes. It's me again. Yeah. And I'm back.
What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's your girl Mara Moore, and if you want more, I'll give you more. So in this video, I have achieved this look for you, and it's mainly on the eyes. So I have done two looks. So this one's like the nudie lip, and then I've done like a dark one. This is my inspiration right here. Yeah. So before we get into this look, make sure you click on that notification bell here to be notified whenever I have a new video. And don't forget to subscribe. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Yes. So I know I'm looking a little crazy or whatever, but let's begin this video. I've done my brows a little bit differently because usually I do my brows like going down, but now they're kind of going up, which I feel is a little bit easier once I'm doing this eyeliner. I think it suits me, this shape. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. So first things first is primer, and what we're gonna go in with is the MUA Makeup Academy Pro Base Banana Blur Primer. So you guys, I can't have my nails this long again. You see how long they are? I did these myself. I don't know how Sweetie, I don't know how Megan Thee Stallion, I don't know how any of them have such long nails. I can't do it. So next I'm just going to be going in with the e.l.f. foundation in chocolate and push that into the skin. Once this is on, it does have a satin finish. I really like these brows, something different, you know. So for concealer, I'm going to be using two of the e.l.f. concealers. One is in Deep Cinnamon and the lighter one is in Tan Sand. So I'm going to be using these two. And what I like about these concealers is that it's like really thick, like you don't need that much. I feel like with my brows like this, my eyes are more like smaller, which I find pretty cool. I'm different. Yeah, I'm different. So with these concealers, it does dry pretty quick. First start with a Flawless concealer brush to start the blending, and then going with a beauty blender. Okay, so next for Tan Sand, I'm just gonna put a little bit on the inner parts of my eye just to brighten up my eyes a little bit, you know. So to contour, I'm just gonna go with this Vital lipstick here. I feel like doing it this way is a lot easier than actually placing the product on my face and dragging it down and then trying to blend it out. Whereas this way I can control the amount of product I put on my face. Face not done yet, we have to bake. So I'm just gonna go in with the Mercier translucent powder. So next, just to wipe the excess powder off, we're going in with the True Match blendable powder in Deep Golden. So I did bake my brows a little bit, and as you can see, it's kind of like fading. So I'm just gonna go in with a brow gel. This is by Technique, and this is in, I think it's in dark brown. So those look a lot better and defined. So to contour, I'm just gonna be going into this Revolution eyeshadow palette, and then going in with that dark brown here. I think we might go with a little bit of blush, just a little bit. Huda Beauty palette here, it's Love Elite. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, so the moment we have all been waiting for, the eyes. I have two products here that I'm going to use. So this is the e.l.f. Jet Black Liquid Liner, and then I have here the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow in Granite. So you guys are nicely zoomed in so you guys can see what I'm doing, you know, doing it well. So we're going in with the liquid liner here first. Now with this, it doesn't matter if I mess up because I want it thick anyway. So I'm just gonna start from here. So that's why I did my brows like this, because my brows usually start from here and then go down, and there's no way I could have been able to do such a long wing. I just kind of like went above my crease. something like that I'm going for. Go in with the Anastasia and just use what's in the lid, given that I've already like traced out kind of like how I want it anyway. So it's this brush here. It's a pointed eyeliner brush. I'm just gonna use what's in the lid. I could just dip into the actual product, but I don't want any smudges, so I'll probably dip into the product and then put it in the lid just so it's easier for me to manage. Now, as you can see, I've just messed up a little bit here, which is fine. So we're just gonna go in with some concealer and just clean it up. Simple. I think I just want to make the tail end just a little bit thicker. I'm just gonna go in with some natural looking eyeshadow, probably this one here, just to place on the inner parts of that wing. So let's get on to the next eye. I'm gonna do next is just put on some mascara and then go in with some lashes. Lashes are not on. I'll put the lashes on. There's a little bit hanging here and a little bit hanging there. I'm just gonna use the eyeliner to cover up the lash band. What I actually might do is bring it down some more and create like a, as they say, fox eye. And I'm not even finished. It's speaking volumes already. For the bottom lashes, I'm gonna actually use the tweezer effect. You just take a little bit on there and then carefully just like grab your lashes. So that's the eyes done, I think. So let's get on to the lips. Let's try something dark, and if we don't like it, then we can just do something nude. So I'm just gonna outline my lips first and foremost. Now I'm just gonna go into a eyeshadow palette. I'm probably going with that brown that I used to contour with. You could just leave it matte, but me and gloss, you know, we're best friends. So that's definitely a vibe. I really like this look, but let's see what it looks like with just, you know, what I usually do, which is just like a nice nude lip. And then this is the nude look. Might do some highlight just on the nose. So this is the finished look. If you guys want like a full like detailed tutorial on the brows, just like let me know, because you don't have to shave off your eyebrows, sweetheart. A whole new face, you know what I mean? And this is, what if I like wrapped it around? That ain't gonna work. So that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.